Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat 500, guys. If you have a Fiat 500, you need to find the fuse for the driver side left low beam headlight. Stay with us, we'll explain that today. It's a little bit hidden. We'll explain why it's super important when you remove the fuse to actually test it and how to test it, guys, because otherwise, okay, you may think it's a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse and you may end up spending quite a bit of money and time to invest in your car to fix non-working headlights. So make sure to stay till the end. So before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. If you want to see any specific videos on Fiat 500, leave a comment below, that way we can get an idea, and if we have time we'll try to make a video for your specific problem. If you need to buy any parts, tools, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. So the fuse that we need to find, guys, it's actually inside the vehicle. We will be demonstrating on a 2015 Fiat 500. 2015 Fiat 500, guys. So where is that fuse now? Okay, a little bit hidden, guys, but if you come, okay, if you come under the steering wheel where your pedals are, you're going to find, okay, that we have a fuse, okay, fuse box right here. That's a fuse box, and the fuse, guys, that we need to check, okay, for the driver's side left headlight low beam is that first fuse right here on top, which is 7.5 amp fuse. That fuse is the one for the headlight. Now I recommend to always test the fuses, because you may think you have a good fuse, you remove it, guys, okay, you see it's good, right, you put it on, you start investing money and time to fix your problem, when all you had to do test the fuse and find out it's bad. Sometimes it's not visible that they're bad. We'll put a link to a video that explains how to test the car fuse in the description of the video below, and if you need to buy replacement fuses for a really cheap price, I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Check it out if you need help with that. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.